Are you dreading checking your device inventory this summer? You don't need to. Rocket's free audit tool makes it easy to compare what's in your system to what you actually have on hand. Here's how to run audits in Rocket. Log into your Rocket account, and in the sidebar, go to Configurations and then Audits. If this is your first time running an audit, you'll see a welcome message outlining the types of reports that will be generated, along with other key details. Once you've reviewed the information, click Proceed to continue. Next, you'll be greeted and asked to start by choosing which building you want to audit. You can select any building you've already configured in Rocket, and if you've added rooms, those will appear here too. If you're scanning a whole building, you can select that option. Once you've selected your location, click Start Audit. You can now begin scanning or typing the serial numbers or asset tags of your devices. When you're done adding all of your devices, click Finalize Building/Room. If you want to move on to another room, click Continue, or if you have scanned everything you want, you can hit Finish. After clicking Finish, Rocket will instantly generate a report showing what's in the system versus what you've just scanned. In this example, you'll notice a long list of unscanned devices that are listed in our location but weren't scanned during the audit. You'll also be able to see any devices that were scanned but aren't in the system at all, any devices with mismatched locations, correctly scanned devices, and devices without a building or room listed. For any sections where errors were found, you will be asked if you want to update the information here. If everything looks correct, you can click No and skip the update. But if anything needs to be changed, select Yes. At the bottom of the screen, you'll have the option to either download report or download and execute any updates you need to make. When you select Download, a PDF report will save to your computer so you can share or keep it for your records. And just like that, you've completed your first audit in Rocket. Back on the Audit tab, you'll be able to see any pending or unfinished audits in the top right, along with a list of previous audits. To view a report from a previous audit, click on Previous Audits, then select the reports icon next to the one you want to review. Whether you're doing a quick inventory check or managing end-of-year device collection, we hope this free tool makes your job a little easier. If you want a more in-depth walkthrough of our software, make sure to sign up for a demo by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching!